Good evening, and we are starting the next lab. Of course, we are going to be essentially just dumping a bunch of ice in a pot, letting it boil, and taking the temperature of the change in state and energy and all of that fun stuff. Got a much more powerful, actually good temperature gun for this. Not built for people, built for objects and items, so it should work out a lot better. Got us some crushed ice from Sonic, since my ice machine doesn't work in my fridge, which is a bit annoying, but it's okay. Let's get something better than a tiny spoon to meet and measure that out. Gonna put a good bit in there. And my wife's gonna be happy that she has Sonic Ice. So I'm sure she thanks you for this lab. So. With that done, we have a good coating in the small pan. We're gonna put this ice up. That's never gonna stay like that. Gonna leave it for just a second. All right, and we will go ahead and start with our first reading before we even start heating this up. We have it at 25 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's go ahead and mark that. And let's mark it in Celsius as well, just for the fun of it. -3 in Celsius. I mark that at 0 minutes. So let us turn on, we're gonna turn on high. And well, I'm going to sit here and do this for 11 minutes. And I will be done after that. So just finished with all of the recordings for, every 30 seconds for 11 minutes. We are coming off of the boil at the moment. I figured it would not be fun to sit and watch someone record all of those recordings every 30 seconds. So I figured I would just kind of stop it just after that first one. Anyway, I suppose now we are going to move on to our balloon before we do our graph. All right, we're going to have some fun with doing it this way. Quick question for the two little ones. What is going to happen whenever I add fire to an oxygen or an air-filled balloon?
I'm going to die.
You're going to die.
Wait, the fire will get bigger.
You think the balloon's going to get bigger?
It's gonna pop.
It's going to pop.
Yeah, it's definitely gonna pop. Please don't kill me.
Boom! It excited the air in there and it swelled up. And
You just killed my eardrum.
This one is
All right,
not gonna explode.
No.
Now we have a water-filled balloon. What do you think is going to happen with this one?
I'm gonna die
It's not
again.
gonna explode.
I'm in the bathtub for a reason. Do you think it's going to burst?
Yes. No. What's happening?
Yeah, it's not.
What the? I'm scared. I'm still covering my ears.
Do y'all know why it's not exploding?
Because it's got water in it.
Exactly. The water is absorbing the fire, the heat, the energy, instead of the balloon.
But the
But-
balloon's still getting bent.
If we apply the fire to a spot...
Oh!
If we apply it to a spot where the water is not touching the balloon, it still goes boom. Not quite as spectacularly, but it does. Hope that has been a fun example of this lab.
It killed me.